So today I'm getting packed and ready to go for a long weekend with my family to the Smoky Mountains. It's going to be a quick trip, but it's going to be really nice because it's going to be with the whole family, with my siblings, my nieces and nephews, my mom, my boyfriend. So it should be a really good time. I'm not quite sure what we're going to get into while we're there. I do know my boyfriend and I, we want to go for a hike because, like I said in a previous video, we are getting ready for a backpacking trip, so we need to start getting some miles under our feet. And the fact that we can hike somewhere with some elevation change will be great practice. So I know we want to do that. We might be going to Dollywood. I really don't know, especially since the weather keeps changing. It keeps changing from high 70s to low 70s to rain, no rain. So I know I overpacked because I'm really not sure what the weather is going to be like. So need a little bit of everything. So yeah, I'm just getting packed up and we're going to hit the road tomorrow. So it's the next morning. I need to get the dogs around and get them to my boyfriend's parents' house. They're going to be so excited. They love going to other people's houses. It is a cold and dark day today. I am so ready to get south for some warmth. I think it's supposed to be in the 80s now down there, which is so exciting because it's like in the 30s here. But yeah, I got to drop the dogs off and then I have to go into work for an hour, and then my boyfriend and I should both be home around the same time, so then we'll load the car up and make sure the chickens are good, and then we will be picking my mom up and heading south.
Ready? You ready? You ready? Ready, go?
Now the dogs have been dropped off. I just got back from work, so now I need to load the car up really quick. My boyfriend's on his way home, so when he gets here, he's gonna top all the chicken water and feed off, and then we're hitting the road.
We got to the cabin around midnight. We woke up to an amazing view and sunrise. The first day, my boyfriend and I decided to go for a hike, while everyone else decided to do touristy things like going to the aquarium and the Titanic Museum. We are heading up to Kawohe Lookout, formerly known as Clean Winds Dome. We are planning to hike from the lookout to Siler Bald. It's about an 8-mile round trip.
future. So this hike did not go according to plan. It was supposed to be an 8-mile round trip, so 4 miles out to Siler Bowl and 4 miles back. I don't know why the app was so far off, and the signage in the park wasn't very accurate. We hiked for, I believe, around like 5 or 6 hours. My phone data said we probably did around like 10 to 11 miles. We didn't even make it to Siler Bowl. We had to turn around. So it was very unfortunate. It was a lot of elevation gain. We should have done the hike that we've done previously, which was Charlie's Bunyan, which we loved that hike, and it was supposedly around the same mileage and the same elevation gain and loss, but like Charlie's Bunyan's hike was accurate data. This hike from the lookout to Siler Bald, I don't recommend. Definitely recommend doing Charlie's Bunyan. So yeah, we were really sore, really tired. Afterward, we got back to our car around 6:30, so we finally got back into Pigeon Forge around 7:30, got dinner. That was awful. So overall it ended up being kind of a frustrating day. Yes, we got to see very pretty views and we got to be outside and enjoy nature, but that hike just did not go according to plan. We did end up getting to talk to some Appalachian Trail thru hikers for a little bit, and that was really cool. My boyfriend and I would both love to thru hike the Appalachian Trail one day, so we always like to do little sections whenever we can on that trail. So getting to talk to actual thru hikers was pretty cool. But yeah, after dinner, we ended up going and sitting in the hot tub for a while because we were exhausted and sore and we just needed to recover. So yeah. So yeah, if you're gonna go hiking in the Smokies near Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, I would definitely recommend Charlie's Bunyan because we had done that hike a few years prior and it's a beautiful hike and the mileage is very accurate. So definitely recommend that one over Siler Bald. Also, the hike up to the lookout, it is just a half mile straight uphill. So if you're not in shape, probably not it's not an easy half-mile hike up to the lookout. So definitely keep that in mind if you're wanting to do a little bit of hiking. Definitely look at elevation because it's a half-mile hike up to the lookout, it'll be beautiful, whatever, but if you're not in shape, it's going to take you a little bit to get up to the lookout and it's not going to be very enjoyable. So keep that in mind if you're looking for any outdoor activities in the Gatlinburg area. The next day, my boyfriend and sister and I all stuck back at the cabin and just had a relaxing day, just enjoying the hot tub and sitting on the porch and enjoying our beautiful view and the nice weather while everyone else went to Dollywood. So my boyfriend and I went to Apple Barn to get some food, and that was definitely the best food I've had in the Gatlinburg Pigeon Forge area. My family ended up meeting us there later, so we got food, we got ice cream, we kind of walked around and looked at all the little shops, so definitely recommend that. It's a cute little area. And then after Apple Barn, we went to the island to do some shopping, and then we headed back to the cabin to watch Michigan win the national championship. So the last day was actually Easter and it was really rainy that morning, and so we ended up having a little Easter egg hunt for the kids in the cabin. They really enjoyed that. Afterwards, we all went out to lunch and just, kind of had a last meal together before we had to head home. The drive home was absolutely beautiful. As soon as we got out of the Pigeon Forge area, it just got sunny and clear and nice. So it was beautiful. Of course, we had to stop at Buc-ee's on our way out of town. Can't drive by a Buc-ee's without stopping. Overall, it was a great trip. We're actually planning on doing this for just kind of a yearly thing. Just run a place for the entire family. All the siblings, the nieces and nephews and everyone. So definitely looking forward to continuing to make memories like that with my family. Definitely having better hikes with my boyfriend. So yeah, it was a good trip and definitely don't want to be back in Michigan because the weather is still crazy here. But yeah, it was a great trip. I need to get more comfortable filming out in public because that was not the most comfortable thing, and I didn't film nearly as much as I wanted to. So yeah, I definitely need to get more comfortable being in front of the camera and not caring what anyone thinks. But yeah, I definitely want to keep filming vacation and travel videos, so those will be probably fairly rare and, kind of sporadic throughout the channel. I'm still trying to figure out exactly all the types of videos that I want to make. Yeah, initially I wanted to do stuff, do videos around the house and updating the house and stuff, but as I've started filming things, I'm really liking that I can capture my life and have those memories somewhere. Yeah, this channel is kind of morphing, and I'm really just kind of going to be vlogging a little bit of everything. Yes, it's still going to be very heavy on DIYs and transformations and stuff around the house because obviously I'm not traveling all the time, but those videos are definitely going to be a part of this channel because those are the memories I really do want to remember. Those are the things I want to capture. So yeah, if you're interested in just kind of following along with my life and like the more transformation type videos, you should definitely subscribe and like this video so that I know this is headed in the right direction. But with that, I will see you guys next week.